Hey guys, Coleman Holtz Outdoors here with another video. It's another decoy related video. I guess kind of. They are decoys in a way. They're actually silhouette decoys. I don't know if you guys have ever used silhouettes. I have in the past. I sold a whole lot of my decoys a long time ago. I was like, I'm not really into duck and goose hunting anymore, and then I got back into it. So yeah, I've been stocking up as much as I can. I got some fields this year that I'm gonna try, so we'll see. All right, guys, I bought the GHG decoys. Haven't unboxed them yet, so I'm gonna do it with you. You guys know I like the Northern Flight series. They do make those in silhouettes, but they were more expensive than these ones. So, ooh, and these ones are nice and big. All right, so it looks like we have upright. It's pretty nice, actually. I like that. It's pretty real. Right, we'll get this next one. This one looks like another, what is this one? The Short Active is what it's called. These things are big. I like them. It's pretty cool. Up here it also has like a couple marks. I don't know if you can see that. A couple little marks right here where the stakes go. It's pretty cool. Heck yeah. Alright, so it looks like a couple feeders. Feeder one. Pretty nice. Another feeder. So it comes with left actives, short actives, upright actives, feeder and hissers, feeders, semi-feeders. Haven't got any of the hissers yet, but so this one looks like the left active is what they call it. There are some feeders, or some actives. Nose was kind of bent, but it's not that big a deal. I'm not too worried about that. Feeders. These next ones are cool. Feeders. I like these next ones. These ones are kind of cool. There's two of these. These ones are the hissers. pretty neat. And then steaks come in here. And they also have these in speckle belly ones. I didn't see any snow geese, but I mainly hunt Canadians and specks anyway, so. These things are the steaks. They're pretty, I'd say, I mean, they're pretty sturdy. They're not the most sturdiest, but they seem to stay. I say that. Did I need these? No. Did I want them? Yes. Not this next check, but the check after that. I think I'm gonna buy another dozen of these. I think maybe a dozen or two of the speckle belly ones. This one does not want to go in. Maybe this is how it goes in. Yeah, that is. I guess. I don't know. It's how it seems to fit. I had ones a long time ago. I think they were Avery ones. They were okay. I liked them. See, this one goes about straight in. Now that one goes in at an angle too, so that's how they are. I like how big they are. That's what I like. Things are massive. Put these next to my full bodies. I thought about making some, but I don't know. So yeah. Pretty nice. There's a couple scrapes and stuff on here, but trust me, once the geese get close enough, they're not going to see it. They'll be dead. You stick these bad boys in the ground. This one's a fatty. Look at that neck. They just fit right in, fit right here, then boom. These things look really nice, guys. Like, look at that pattern. Looks like a real goose. Really thin. Not a huge fan of these steaks, but geese really don't care. I've used them multiple times, steak stuck out. Come on, this guy. There we go. Finally went in. Alright guys, that was a dozen. And they went for $79, but with taxes like 80 something. So thanks for watching. Peace. Make sure you like, share, subscribe.